how to fix restriction due to account settings in Roblox. So as you can see right here, when I've opened Blox Fruits, it says that this experience is restricted by your parental controls, allowed to experience settings. So to fix this, what you need to do is just go. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the gear icon here on the top right, then go to your settings. Once you're here, just go to privacy and make sure that account restrictions is disabled. So mine is currently enabled right here. So I'm just simply click the switch button to disable it. And as you can see, it says additionally, communication settings will be set to off if your account restrictions is turned on. So I've currently disabled it, and now we're gonna set communication to default. And as you can see, save successfully. And next thing that you want to do is just go to parental controls right here and make sure that this allowed experiences is set to 17 plus so that you could play most of the games. So if you have a pin, you just simply input it. So you could either set it to 17 plus or all ages. But if you want to play most of the games, I suggest to use 17 plus right here. I'm just going to simply click on this and you will need to add the pin. So I'm going to add mine. Click on add, and I have the 2FA enabled, so I'm just going to get the code and input it. So I have the code right here. I'm just going to simply click on verify. And I'm just going to input the pin again, just like so. Unlocked. Now it is set to 17 plus. Now I'm going to go back to Roblox. Just going to go to Blox Fruits again. As you can see, I can now play Blox Fruits. And what I suggest, if you don't want to input pin every time you change the setting, you just disable it right here. And that's how I basically fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings.